Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download posts on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First, choose your post which you want to download and click here on this share icon, and here as you see you'll find this download icon. Click on it and that's it. It should be downloaded. That's how to download any posts on your account on Reddit, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.